So these are the concrete terracing or for your stairways, and also the moldings, concrete moldings for your windows. And for the installation is 50 pesos additional to the meterage. And like you said, that's what it looks like when you buy it. So you have to, you can paint it in any color that you want. Kaningon ani ma'am ba? Pila ni?
Kanan siya?
Oo.
200 siguro ang kunan.
200 per piece? Oo. So, kani gina... Pila ito siya ma'am?
Kasi ta 250.
250. That's 350. The other design, 350 per meter, 250 per meter. So you can give them your door sizes and they can already made it to your door measurement, and you just install it if you want to install it, or they can install it for you with additional 50 pesos per meter for the installation. And these are the other products. Railings, that's 600 per meter. The wider ones are 800 per meter. So you can have the double this, and they got balustrades. Starts from 170 up per piece. So they have the double design. That's 800. That's 1.6 for the 2 meter. That's the 600 per meter. Everything here was about concrete decorations. So these are the columns that you can render in your columns and your beams. That's 1.5 per meter. And these are the different design. So it comes in this unpainted one. So these are the ideas for your house decorations. That's price per meter as well to wrap your columns. And they got the balustrades. This is 600 per piece, and there. So this is the saan nga ni ma'am no? Ano siya natural when it's delivered in ani. So this is sold by meter. Pero ang mukat ani ma'am, kami na lang og kuan mo palit.
Matag mo og support sa bintana. Amo nang katundaan para
diretso na lang. So if you give them the measurement of your windows or doors, they can just cut it to your size, and then you will install some. Pila to presyo ani ma'am?
200 ang meter.
200 per meter. This is made of concrete. concrete ma'am no. Wala siya i-rebar sa sod. So these are the different design. Ano siya tawag ni accent sa talag?
Molding naman.
Molding no. So these are cement moldings. They also got this for designs.
Kani kuan ning tag 350 ni siya kung dala taon.
350 ko if you have it installed. Ug walay no installment, installation. 300
may kuan
per meter sa
meter sa mutao.
so if you want it installed, they add 50 pesos per meter for the installation. Nya kani mga inani ma'am, gate, ang gate ba?
Oo, sa kanang terrace.
Oh, terrace kana daghan
On.
kayo.
Ita
600 ang sukod,
Oh, ang 1 meter.
ang 1 meter. So that's
900.
depends sa design ma'am.
Siya sa yang dako.
Gidapcon. So there's about minimum of this for railings is 600 per meter. So dili siya magbase sa design ma'am. Dili magbase sa design by meter gyapon siya. That's longer. 800 per meter. 600 per meter this one. So the wider one is 800 per meter.
800 ang single.
Per single na ni siya ma'am no. 800.
Pero pag nagdupol na kapareha. Back-to-back naman design na ni.
So back to back. Kaning gitaod ani.
Maliki.
Ang murag column. Pila sa na siya?
Depende dito sa idakon.
Mao ba? So depends on the one, but we're just giving you the prices of the designs that they do for your terrace. And you can color it whatever you want because it comes in natural concrete color. So again, in ani double na ma'am oh.
Mari siya, 2 meters pa na siya.
2 meters, so kuha na siya oh.
Manhog siya
16,
16.
8 no, 800. So you can have it to for single it's 800 for 1 meter by 1 meter when it's wider, pero katong inana lang that's 600 per meter. So it comes like this. Look at this. That's the concrete finish and you can color it whatever you want. Sila na day mo color ma'am. Kaning balusters ni mo
Ang baluso depende sa kuan. Naitag
200, 170 depende sa gitas
Depende sa gitas on.
depends on the
Na 300.
300. So mag-start siya 150 to 170. It starts 170. Pila yung gitas on sa 170 ma'am? So that's 170 each. So that baluster is 170 each. It starts 170 up. That the height. If it's taller, it reach 300. Imo gyapon na dang nasgawas ma'am no? Tanawon ako ma'am ha. Sige ma'am. Adilay kulom na lagi ni. Mga kulom.
Mga pusti ko pa din mga kulong.
Pusti-pusti lang. Lahi isa din siya ma'am oh.
Lahi po na siya.
Unsa ni baluster gyapon style?
Para niya po na siya parang hagdanan.
For stairways, terrace. Pila ang per piece ana ma'am?
Kani siya? At 350.
That's 350 pesos per piece. So again, it comes in natural color like that. Kani dili mabuti kung design mo. Kani lahi lagi ni ma'am. Beam? To decorate your beam. Nagpila sa ang per meter. 1.8 per meter for the to decorate your 1.5 po 1.8 depends on the width. Depende sa hilapdon ma'am no kay lapad kay uba no for your beams. So these are the akong suroyo na design. So that's 800 per meter. That's 2 meters 1.6. So you can see you can double the design for your terrace or and the single one is 800 but these small ones like this is 600 per meter. That's 600, 600. So you can see that's the natural finish. The different design. They are displayed right on the road at the boundary of Liloan and Consolacion. The boundary of Liloan and Consolacion. They also do this type. Asam na nyo himuon diha ra ma'am? Ay inyong factory diha ra? Kamo ray maghimo. Matanawan ko no takadiyot ma'am. Ikay mo design ma'am? Ay na kay designer. Oo, kay kuan man. Lagi mo. So this is where her factory is. This is where they made the product that she created here. So ari ra mo diri magkuan ma'am. Wala lagi na trabaho ron. Hinay. So there you can see the different design. You can order it here. They make it. Umo-order sila mo ni molding sa kuan ma'am no. Balusters. Pila ka adlaw ang kuan? Para mo order og kanang mga depende sa kidatan. Kana lang ka adlaw paduhan sa mga. Oh. So they like make this 2 meter like this. They can make 2 a day. Here. So they have the moldings. Mas mahal imong moldings ani ma'am no. Mahal imong mga forma. Kanang mold kanang lagi carving. So this is where she spend much. 2017 2018 bagong design. Latest for moldings and railings. Ay pa ma'am.